So this partnership between the Division of Biochemistry and EAG Labs has been going on for about 4 years. We have a place for students to learn what research and industry is actually really looks like, and they get a great pipeline.
At the time I was pre-med, so this was another option that I could look into because I was starting to question if that was what I really wanted to do.
It's amazing. Like, the things that I've learned through the internship experience have really prepared me for going into the workforce, and they've given me an idea of like what I want to do moving forward as well.
I think it's something that not a lot of undergraduates get an opportunity to do. You're working with some state-of-the-art instrumentation. It was very supportive and very so team-oriented.
To me, it just really speaks of the biochemistry department here at Mizzou that we have so many opportunities and connections here, and our teachers are willing to go out of our way to really make sure that we have those connections and to really push us on a path to success. They're wanting to make sure that all of us end up with a job that we love after graduation.
I think it's the best thing that a college can do for its students, because we all come in here with like some idea of what we want to do, but you don't really know until you try things out.
It's really pretty priceless.
There's so many opportunities that students have to really put into practice what they learn in the classroom, and to take that to an actual working environment. Regardless of your major, those types of opportunities are available throughout CAFNR.